Hi HR professionals. Today I would like to show you how to use ChatGPT step by step to analyze and understand a complex job description and also match candidates with the job description. I wrote this video to show you how generative AI can actually help you simplify some of the complex tasks around you. You must have observed that sometimes we get a job description from a business manager and we understand it, but not completely. We might be able to make a sense of, say, 30% of what the business manager's requirement really is. But isn't it important that we understand the job description in detail so that we can then match profiles and find out the best ones for our business managers? Today, we are going to take the example of the role of a senior data scientist with 10 years of experience. So here's what we are looking at. We're looking for a senior data scientist with 10 plus years of experience in Python, SQL, and machine learning. Must have experience in building predictive models, advanced analytics, and stakeholder management. Knowledge of cloud platforms like AWS or GCP is preferred. Excellent communication and leadership skills are required. So here is your first prompt. Copy this job description into ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the key responsibilities, skills, and experiences. Summarize this job description into key responsibilities, required skills, and experience level. Now we are ready with a clear and a structured summary to guide candidate matching. The next prompt for you is list all the key skills, tools, and qualifications from this JD in a bullet format. Now that you're ready, you can go ahead and match the profiles that you have received with this job description. Now paste these profiles and ask ChatGPT to rate them against the job description. Compare these candidate profiles with the JD and rate each candidate's fit as high, medium, or low. Also explain the reason why. Here is your output. Refine your results with more iterations. The next prompt for you is prioritize must-have skills, which is Python, SQL, machine learning, predictive modeling, and leadership. This is directly from the job description. And finally, give a top 2 candidate shortlist. What you can also do for better matching is generate a table, and you don't have to do it yourself. Ask ChatGPT to generate a table for you. Create a table comparing these candidates based on skills, experience, cloud expertise, and overall fit for the senior data scientist role. And there you have it, a clear data-driven comparison table ready for you to share with the hiring managers, and all of this done in minutes using ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can analyze complex job descriptions, extract key requirements, match senior candidates, and even iterate for more precision, saving lots of time and helping you make smarter hiring decisions. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT allow you to quickly make sense of complex job descriptions like we did, identify key skills, and evaluate candidate profiles efficiently. They can also help you focus on strategic decisions rather than getting lost in data, making hiring faster, smarter, and more effective. In this example, we just took 3 candidate profiles, but we know that in real life, there are many profiles that you need to screen through. So just understand how, with a few simple steps, you can streamline the entire process. Iteration is the key here. By refining your prompts and running multiple rounds, you can generate optimum results and ensure that your shortlist truly reflects the best candidates for the role. Also, because you have interacted with ChatGPT, you have actually gone to the next level to understand the job description in detail. When you go back to the hiring managers, you actually have a lot to say. You have been equipped with data, you have a comparison table with you, which definitely means you can be more strategic when you're trying to screen out profiles to fill in this role. Subscribe for more AI tips in HR. Comment below if you would like to see a video on how to automate candidate outreach next.